The highway rat was a baddie. The highway rat was a beast. He took what he wanted and ate what he took. His life was one long feast. Here. His teeth were sharp and yellow. His manners were rough and rude. Oh. And the highway rat went riding, riding along the highway and stealing the traveller's food.